how you can track your spending in the Chase app. In this video, I'll show exactly how you can do it. So, let's get started. First, open the Chase mobile app on your phone and sign in. Then, select the checking or credit card account you want to review. Now, swipe up or scroll down and tap on Spending and Budgeting, or Track Your Spending Habits. Next, tap on Spending Summary. Here, you'll see your spending for the current month, a bar chart of the last 6 months, and your average monthly spending. Scroll down to view your expenses broken down by categories like groceries, entertainment, and utilities. Tap any category to see detailed transactions and trends for that type of spending. To set up a budget, tap the Budget tab. Enter your income, savings target, and monthly bills so that you can track your spending. Review and save your budget to track progress over time. Regularly check your progress, adjust your budget or categories as needed, and set up alerts for unusual spending or when you approach limits. And that's it. That's how you can track your spending in the Chase app.